how to fix smart switch stuck at 90% during data transfer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first of all, hold phone and you will see cable is here. So first of all, check your cable is not damaged. So after check cable, you will see cable is not damaged. So insert here. So after insert, you will see your problem is not solved. So again remove cable and clean with the help of tissue paper. So after cleaning, again insert, you will see your problem is still not solved. So remove pin again and just click and hold and volume down button and power button at the time. So you will see and click on restart. So after click on restart, you will see after restarting, you will see make sure after restarting your problem is solved. After the process, enter phone pin and click on OK. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart switch stuck at 90% during data transfer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.